I'm Chris Alger, the General Manager at Bailiffscourt. I've been lucky enough to be the General Manager for around about 20 years now. Historic Sussex Hotels are a family-owned business. They have 3 hotels. They've got the Spread Eagle in Midhurst, Ockenden Manor at Cuckfield, Bailiffscourt in Climping, and the most recent addition is the Black Horse in Climping, a Climping great pub. What they wanted to do was restore the Black Horse into the community, for it to be the heart of the community and turn it into a traditional pub. They were recommended James Wells as the architect, and the brief was balance tradition with modern day's 20th century. What our owners wanted was a quality property, a quality finish, and I have to say, King and Drury have delivered it. When our owners were collaborating with James Wells, the architect, the inspiration came from the spa at Bailiffscourt, the green oak timber frame barn style construction. Well, when our owners purchased the Black Horse, one of the main things they wanted was to reinvigorate the pub into the heart of the community. It's a place where the locals can come, meet, enjoy a pint. The first few weeks of the operation, we knew we were going to hit the ground running, and we certainly did. I'm so proud of the team here. Luca and the team have done a fantastic job. Mark, our head chef, heading up his team. Again, a wonderful job. We've learnt a lot, but the feedback we've had from the community and the locals and our spa members has been wonderful. Feedback from the customers has been really positive. They remember the pub as it was, and they come in now and they still see the cosy pub, but it's a strong product, it's a quality finish, and I have to say, I think King and Drury have done us proud.